What's going on YouTube? Mo here, back again with another video for you guys. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get Solana for free. Yes, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can get Solana for free, guys. Like, is it even possible to get Solana for free? Well, yes, it is. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to do it. Now, this video is going to be for you if you're completely broke, but you want to start trenching, you want to get into you want to start trading meme coins, but you just don't have any Solanas to get started. Don't worry, I've got you. This video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get started with practical ways, right? You're going to leave this video and you're going to be able to go and actionable steps. You're going to take action. As long as you take action, you'll be able to start earning some Solanas. Okay. So with that said, let's get into the video. Now, first thing, the only thing though, guys, I'd like to remind you to please subscribe to the channel, guys. I've been posting videos now every single day. I've been trading Solana meme coins for the last 6 months. And I want to share everything I've learned, and I want to share it with a following. I want to build a following here on YouTube. So please, guys, if you do finding my videos helpful, you're finding it informative, entertaining even, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel and leave me a like, guys. Okay, with that said, let's get into the video. Okay, so how do we even earn Solana? How do we get Solanas for free? Right, guys, I'm going to tell you how to do it. And it's going to be with a method called affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's just basically, right, you are promoting another person's business, right? And you're getting commissions, right? You're going to get commissions just for promoting another person's business. Okay, it's an old type of business and it still works very well today, and I'm going to show you some proof. Okay, so affiliate marketing, performance-based strategy where publishers or affiliates earn commissions for promoting products or services. Okay, when someone purchases through an affiliate's unique tracking link, the affiliate receives a reward from the brand they're promoting. All right, guys. Now, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you what company, what I've been promoting. I'm going to show you my results. I'm going to show you everything, and I'm going to show you how to take action as well. Okay. Now that we understand what affiliate marketing simply means, I want to show you my results so far from just promoting an offer, right? Now, the offer I've been promoting is Axiom, right? I use Axiom. I use it to trade every single day. So it just makes sense to promote it, right? To promote it to other people, to get it to use. Axiom is by far the best trading platform for trading Solana meme coins, right? For so many reasons I'm not going to mention. Okay. But as you can see here, I've earned so far 7.5 Solana just from promoting my Axiom link. Okay. Just from promoting it in different places. Right, I've earned 7.5 Solana. You do the math, that's about, I don't know, today's prices, that's about $1,000. And I've only started doing this about, what, like 3 weeks ago or so? I think about a month ago. About a month I started to promote, really started promoting Axiom, and you can see 7.5 Solanas I've earned, okay? So it works, okay? It works. Okay, so now that I've showed you proof that I'm earning Solana for free, how am I doing it? How are you going to do it? How are you going to do it? Well, it's simple, guys. You don't reinvent the wheel. You just do what other people are doing. Okay, you're just going to do exactly what other people are doing. Now, I come from an internet marketing background, and that's what works. Okay, you just copy what already works. You model what already works. Okay, not copy, you model what already works. Okay, so I'm going to show you on 3 different platforms. Okay, so The first platform I'm going to show you is on YouTube, right? You're just going to go on YouTube and you're going to make simple tutorials, okay? You're going to make really simple tutorials about Axiom and trading Solana meme coins in general. Look, everyone is doing it. You can come over to YouTube and just type in how to find meme coins on Axiom, right? And it's going to give you different keywords of what people are searching for, right? And then all you need to do is just create tutorials around those keywords, like simple as that, right? Look, everyone is doing it, okay? So this is YouTube, and this is how people are doing it on YouTube. Now, I do understand that some people are not comfortable recording themselves and showing their faces, or that's fine. That's why I've got you, right? So if you don't like recording yourself and showing yourself on camera and doing all that kind of stuff, that's fine. We can use a different strategy, right? And this other strategy is on X. On X, you don't need to show your face. You don't need to do any of those things. And I'll show you what people are doing, and then you can go and copy them as well, or you can go model them, right? So with X, the way they do it is you want to wait for a coin to migrate. Okay, so when I mean migrate is like it reaches the bonding curve and it just migrates. So let me remove some filters here, and then we can see some of the coins that are just migrated, and you see how this strategy works. Okay, so all right, so these are the coins that have just graduated, right? So like this coin now, it just graduated like literally 6 minutes ago. Now what you want to do next is, by the way guys, if you want to promote this same Axiom as me, you're going to need a link, right? You're going to need a link to actually sign up so that you can also promote it, right? And I'm going to have a link down in the description of this YouTube video so that you can go and you can use it, you can log in, and you can start promoting it yourself, right? You got to have it first. You got to be able to log in into the Axiom first before you can promote it, okay? So yeah, back to what I was saying, right? So what you want to do is you find the coin that has just migrated, right? Like this one, it just migrated like 7 minutes ago. And what you're going to do is you're going to search, right? We're going to click on that search button there, right? Let me get my mouse pointer so you can see what I mean. Okay. You see there's a little search button there. Look, the search, right? You can search on any of them. So if we search this up, it's going to bring up Twitter. Okay, it's going to take us to X, and I'm going to show you what people are doing, and all you need to do is just do the same thing, right? So you can see this person here. Look at what this person is doing. This person, yeah, he's just made a post, and he's put the contract address, the ticker, and the FDV, right? He just put some information basically. But look at that, right? Look at what do you think that is? What do you think this is? Okay. This person is put a link to GMGN, which is another trading platform. So what are you going to do? You're just going to put your own affiliate link, your own Axiom affiliate link in there, right? You're just going to put it there. You're just going to make a post and put it in there, right? You put the contract address, put the name of the ticker, and you just put your Axiom link there. Easy as that. Look, he's got like, how many people have seen that? 8 people, right? Let's keep scrolling. You'll see. Look at another person doing the same thing. This one is even promoting Axiom. You see, new token analysis, blah, 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 Axiom link. Let's keep scrolling. Same thing. Another person, anime, blah, 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 Axiom link, right? The person has put their own Axiom link there, right? With an image, right? And that's all you got to do. It's so simple, right? You just wait for a token to graduate. Even before it graduates, right? Even before it graduates. You want to wait for it before it graduates, and then you post it there. But it's a lot better when it graduates because people are searching for it, right? Like this one. Let's look at the next coin. Let's look at this push-ups one, right? You see, same thing. Exactly the same thing. Okay. Let's check it out. There you go. Trade. Same thing, right? Look at this person. Name of the coin, ticker 46 minutes ago, and a link to buy it, right? It's just like, hey, check it out. Go buy it here. And then you just put your link there. Should you see? Axiom found a new unlock, blah, blah, blah. There, boom. How easy is that, guys? You're just doing this. You just keep doing this. And you just, the idea is just to get eyes on your link, right? And eventually people are going to start using your link and you're going to start earning commissions, right? You're going to start earning those Solanas. Okay. That's how you're going to start earning Solanas. Okay. So this is how you do it on X, right? This is how you're going to make those affiliate commissions on X, how you're going to promote it on X. And finally, I want to show you how to do it on TikTok. Okay. Now on TikTok, what you want to do is, what I've seen that really works is you want to find streamers, okay? Streamers, look at what this person is doing, this guy's account. What he's doing is he's found streamers and he's just clipping the bits that the streamer has made a lot of money, right? And then he's just saying, hey, 80K in few minutes. Check out Axiom Trade, right? He's just put his link there, right there, right? Look, check that out. So same thing, right? He's like, bro made 10K in 5 minutes. Check out Axiom link, right? And he even has other links, but you don't want to use too many links, right? You don't want to confuse your customers, right? Or whoever is looking at you. Don't want to confuse the traffic. You just want to have one link. I would never do this, like have multiple links. Like, you know, the customer is not going to know what to click on, right? You just want to give them one link. Okay. There again, he's doing the same thing. He's just clipping, making the bits where people, the streamer is making money, right? He's just clipping that bit and he's just putting his like profit 1.5 million. He's just put it there. Boom. Right? How easy is that, right? So if you don't have Solanas, you don't have money, then maybe you have some time to go ahead and clip these things. All right, guys? So with that saying, I've given you 3 different methods that you can start earning Solanas for free, right? Using affiliate marketing, promoting Axiom, right? We're promoting Axiom because literally it's the #1 trading platform. And Axiom as an affiliate offer, it's like hands down one of the best offers I've seen because it literally offers passive income. Like it's like passive, like, and it's forever. Unlike other affiliate offers that end after a while, right? After the first purchase, it ends, right? After they make the first purchase, this is forever. As long as the customer keeps trading, you keep earning a small percentage of their fees, right? Just like I'm doing. Like every other day, I come to my, I come into my, my back office here and I claim my Solana, right? Just for promoting Axiom, right? Just like I'm doing right now, right? Just like I'm doing right now, okay? So that's what I'm telling you guys. You want to be promoting Axiom. And if you haven't got Axiom, you can join Axiom using the link down in the description of this YouTube video, right? And you can reach out to me as well on Telegram or Twitter if you need like help, additional help on how to go ahead to start promoting it. But I don't think you need that, right? Because I've showed you like 3 really easy ways that you can start promoting Axiom and start getting free Solanas. Okay, with that brings us to the end of the video, guys. If you do find this video helpful and informative, then make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.